You have likely seen the term 501c3 on charity websites, but what does it actually mean for an organization's finances? Let's take a look. At its core, a 501c3 is a designation by the Internal Revenue Service that grants an organization tax-exempt status because of its charitable mission. There are nearly 2 million registered nonprofits in the United States, all operating under specific rules to maintain their special tax standing. To qualify, an entity must operate exclusively for public benefit. This means no private owner can take home profits and all funds must support the mission. The biggest difference is the tax treatment. While for-profit companies pay taxes on earnings, 501c3 organizations are exempt and donors can often deduct their gifts. Contrary to popular belief, most nonprofits rely more on fees for services than on individual donations or grants to fund their operations. Remember that nonprofit is a tax status, not a business model. They still need to generate revenue to survive and fulfill their stated purpose. Understanding these designations helps you make informed decisions about where you donate. Don't forget to subscribe for more money basics.